Zambales Vice Governor Khonghun took to Facebook to lambast the basher of his girlfriend's son, Andre Yllana. The netizen posted this on Twitter about Andre, the son of his girlfriend Aiko Melendez with Jomari Yllana. The vice governor assured Andre he will always be there to support the teenager. Authorities are already looking for the suspects. Melendez is grateful to Khonghun for all the help. The vice governor accompanied the actress and Andre in visiting the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Division to get updates.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.